Hello everyone. Today I am here with a very unusual dish. I have been making it for 35 years or more. I picked it up when my father was in Manila and we had it for the first time in an American club. And since then there's no stopping. I have made it in every country that I have visited, every household that I have visited. I have taught hundreds of ladies in Patna and Delhi. I have given so many demonstrations because it's the best way to have vegetables, and children just love it. I would do it for my daughter's birthday parties, and I would just chop up everything. As you can see, this is all the vegetables that are chopped and they are served uncooked on the table. आज हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं एक बहुत नए तरह का डिश. इसका नाम है मंगोलियन बारबेक्यू. मंगोलियन बारबेक्यू न मंगोलिया की चीज है न बारबेक्यू है, लेकिन इसका नाम पड़ गया 1950s में शुरू हुआ. ये 1950 में एक टाइवानीज रेस्टोरेंट में ये शुरुआत हुई इसकी, और तब से हर देश में पॉपुलर है. और हमने इसे सीखा 35 साल से भी ज्यादा पहले मनीला में, जहां मेरे फादर पोस्टेड थे. वहां एक अमेरिकन डाइनर्स क्लब था वहीं पर. तो आज आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं कि ये सब सब्जियां कच्ची टेबल पे रखी जाती हैं. ऑल दीज वेजिटेबल्स, the trick is in chopping it nicely. The whole secret of the dish is to इसको काटने का ही तरीका इसकी खूबी है. अगर ऐसे काटेंगे तो मोटा कटेगा. तो ध्यान रखना है कि जैसे बंधा गोभी भी पतला काटे और एक तरीके से काटे. हर चीज पतली कटेगी और एक तरीके से कटेगी, क्योंकि कुकिंग टाइम इसका 2 मिनट है, सिर्फ 2 मिनट. इसीलिए बराबर से काटना बहुत जरूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू चॉप ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स evenly and finely because the cooking time is very short, just 1 to 2 minutes. So everything must be chopped well and fine, and there is a technique for making everything. So like the carrots, you remove the inside. कैरेट का अंदर वाला जो कड़ा पोर्शन है वो नहीं डालेंगे और उसको कोई सब्जी में यूज कर लेंगे. तो जैसे चाइनीज के लिए काटते हैं, बट बराबर से कटना है सब चीज. और फिर सब वेजिटेबल्स एक प्लेट में डाल के चूल्हे के पास लेकर सब कोई अपना अपना अलग अलग स्टर फ्राई करता है. ईच पर्सन, ईच इंडिविजुअल piles up their plate and according to the liking. Some people don't like garlic, some people don't like chilies, so you have to put it according to your taste and your liking, and then we'll stir fry it. All that we need is boiled vegetables. So I will show you all the vegetables that are chopped here. The ingredients are very important. This is sliced onion, sliced juliennes of carrots, red pepper, yellow pepper and green pepper, mushroom and broccoli. This is cabbage, garlic and ginger chopped fine, and this is coriander leaves, and these are the sauces. This is vinegar, soya sauce, salt and chili oil, and these are the dry ingredients: roasted peanuts and roasted sesame seeds, roasted मूंगफली और रोस्टेड तिल, उजला तिल, ये चिली ऑयल है, नमक, विनेगर, सोया सॉस, और ये बॉइल्ड राइस है। अब बस इसे खूब गर्म होना है। द कुकिंग डिश मस्ट बी वेरी हॉट, सो आई विल चॉप द रेस्ट ऑफ इट while the frying pan is getting very hot. And believe me, once you get hooked onto this, every week you want to have it. We would do Mongolian barbecue for the school fete in Patna, and we would sell hundreds of plates in one day, and it was so popular. In Nehru Park, we did it for the ISOA fete in winter, and it was loved. And we started at 10:30 in the morning, and we did not move away from the chula till 5 in the evening, because everybody wanted to have this. So as you see, the chopping is very important, and then there are chilies, green chilies. So this is how we do it. We take some, this is all displayed on the dining table. ये सब डाइनिंग टेबल पर ऐसे ही रख देते हैं, और सब अपना प्लेट उठाते हैं और सब चीजें थोड़ी थोड़ी डालते हैं. दिस इज जिंजर, गार्लिक, कोरिएंडर, धनिया पत्ती, पीला शिमला मिर्च, लाल शिमला मिर्च, मशरूम, हरी शिमला मिर्च, गाजर. गाजर को अच्छे से काटना है, मोटा मोटा नहीं काटना है. The carrots need to be sliced properly, and then you have this onions, प्याज और ब्रोकली. जरूरी नहीं है कि सभी चीजें होनी है, कुछ नहीं है तो भी ठीक है. You don't have to have everything, but it's best if you, then you put salt and some vinegar and chili oil and soya sauce. It's best to use a good soya sauce which is not dark, because otherwise the rice turns very dark. So this is how, so now the frying pan is heated and we put very little. So this is a very healthy dish because we have all the vegetables and very little oil. You can add some chicken, chopped chicken very finely, but I am doing the vegetarian version. इसमें फिर मूंगफली भी डाल दिया और तिल डाल दिया, and some green chilies which I forgot. So if you like it hot, you can put more green chilies. और ये बहुत तेज ताव पे भूनना है. It has to be done at very high heat. So even in big restaurants, they have big girdles like the dosa tawa, and the chef stands there and everybody brings their plate and gets it stir fried. So it's a very great experience. In Manila, of course, it was the best that I've ever had, but I had it in Washington and in Boston. I haven't found a good place, but my place is the best for this in Delhi. So, and Patna, we did it so much, so often. Every lady who was part of the Mamas Club, they had picked it up and they would call me up to say, Kiradi, I can't be thankful enough. The children love it, and this is the best way to have vegetables. So this is done. ये तैयार हो गया. तो ये झटपट रेसिपी है और बहुत हेल्दी है। सब हरी सब्जियां हैं इसमें और ये कलर्ड वेजिटेबल्स डॉक्टर्स कहते हैं कि नर्व हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छा है। The colored vegetables are very good for nerve health and they are healthy, and this is done, and that is the Mongolian barbecue. I wish I could make you have it because it tastes divine. Enjoy.